Hello, hello, hello. My name is Ernest, co-founder of theprofitroom.com. So we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can start trading and investing. A lot of people want to get involved with trading and investing, but they don't know where to start. At the Profit Room, we focus on education, application, and then the success. So number 1, learn about the market that you want to trade in. There's so many markets that you can trade in. There's stocks, there's options, futures, Forex, and crypto. So what you want to do is get as much information about that market as possible. Here at the Profit Room, when you watch our YouTube channel or go to our website, we have a lot of information on different markets. But search that web. Get as much information of how that market works, the many market participants that's involved in that market, so you can feel even more comfortable when you start trading that market. Number 2, learn how to analyze. So what do I mean by analyze? So when you pick a specific market, say it's stocks, you want to know how to research a stock that you should trade or invest in. There's different types of analysis. One is called fundamentals, understanding the numbers and the actual company behind it. Then there's also technical analysis, looking at the different charts and the movements as you see on my monitors in the back. So you really need to understand the analysis behind why you're entering a trade, and also more importantly, why you're going to exit. Number 3, finding a trading broker. Yes, so if you're trading a specific market, there's many brokers that you can choose from, like TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, right? You want to do your research to see what broker will fit you the best. Some people are on a run and they want more of a mobile broker so they can, use an app and understand how to enter and exit a trade. Also, you need to know the capital requirements of that broker. Some may require $500 a deposit into account. Some may require more, right? You want to know the fees, right? When you trade, when you buy and sell, there's a fee every time you make a transaction. So you really need to know and understand the type of broker you are going to get involved with. Number 4, more importantly, practice. So now you know what market you want to trade, number 1. You know how to analyze, number 2. And number 3, you have a broker. So practice, practice, practice. So what do I mean by that? Many brokers have a simulation account where they give you fake money. So you have this information, you have this knowledge, so you want to test it out. It's almost like a race car game, right? Maybe you don't have your license yet. When you hit the gas and the brake, it could be a little shaky. But when you're doing a race car game, like an old school arcade or whatever, you get the actual feel of it. Sometimes you get in a little accident, boom, right? You're really not going to hurt yourself. That's the same thing with practicing. Using a simulated account with fake money to practice what you're learning, right? Very, very important. A lot of people don't do that and they end up hurting themselves financially. And that's how trading and investing can get a bad reputation. Number 5, even more importantly, risk management, right? So now that you know what market you're going to trade, right? Number 2, you know how to analyze. Number 3, you have a broker. And number 4, right, you know how to practice and get in and out and you're doing pretty good. Now, number 5, come in with a nice risk management plan. Very important. We don't just trade and invest just to trade and invest. Everybody's financial goals is different. Maybe you're going to be a short-term trader. Maybe you're going to be a long-term investor. So, right, know how much money you're willing to risk per trade. And even more importantly, how much you plan on making per trade. Very, very important to have risk management. All right. Hope you really benefited from these 5 steps to get you started trading and investing. You want to know more information like this, please go to theprofitroom.com, hit subscribe, get on our mailing list. Also subscribe and follow us all over social media. Hope to talk to you guys very soon. As always, get educated and trade safe, and I'll see you in the Profit Room.